Okay, this one's a bit off the beaten path. I want to talk about healthcare, Canadian healthcare. Whenever there's a conflict between Canada and the States, and there's been a lot of that over the last couple of years, my inbox is always fed with, well, at least you have free healthcare. Listen, ain't nothing free. And healthcare in Canada is a taxpayer funded sinkhole with no end to it. My opinion in my early days was it's absolute trash. If you have if you need stitches, if you have a cold, if you have some weird ache or pain, the health system is terrible. You will wait forever. I live in a rural area, so if I have one of those things, which isn't often, the last time I was in one, I got my stitches in my hand, which was like 3 years ago. I even go farther out to the boonies and go to like a rural hospital and I've never had to wait more than 45 minutes to get in, to be seen and to be attended to. When it comes to the major stuff, and this is sort of a new revelation for me, and I'm not going to go into the details too much, but both on my progenitors and on my descendants, we have experienced some major health concerns, incredibly significant problems that required intense and dramatic healthcare. And the only rating that I can give the Canadian healthcare system in that regard is an A+. Unbelievable care, unbelievable doctors. The attention to detail has been outstanding. If I was in the States and required that, and my family required that level of care, I have no doubt that it would exceed $1 million, maybe a couple $1 million for the medical care to do what they've done and continue to do. Fantastic. So I am totally there's a massive dichotomy that I have to sort of wrestle with between sort of the minor and the major. And my as everything here is my thoughts, not yours. My experience is the minor. You really have to be conscious of what you're choosing and where you're going in order to get looked after properly. But when it comes to the major stuff, my experience, A+, amazing, worth every nickel. I have fought my own feelings on being critical of it when I think about how it's benefited my family. As usual, my thoughts, not yours. Let me know what your experience is. I have all the stuff, health, disability, and critical illness that I have to pay for, but everything else is, in my opinion, beautiful.